Hi again. Today, Harry and I are going to walk you through our new app. You can download it through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and it's called Perler Wealth. We hope this app will provide you another avenue for you to access your accounts online, as well as stay up to date with the educational video content that we put out.
When you open up the app, you will instantly be taken to a Home About Us page. This page gives you a short description about us, our mission statement, and the relationship we like to build with our clients. Our relationship with you is always our top priority.
If you look at the bottom of your screen, you will see 5 icons. Next to the About icon is Client Login. This page allows you easy access to your WorldSource account. You can either log in with your username and password or register at the bottom. If you need assistance with your password, please be sure to contact us.
Moving to the next icon is videos. At the very top of this page is our most recent YouTube video, and if you scroll down, you can see the past videos we have done. This is a quick, easy way for you to stay up to date as we are always adding new content.
The next page is Contact Us. At the top, you will see our office address as well as a map. If you scroll down, you will see our office hours. Our regular office hours are Monday to Friday from 8:30 to 4:30, and we're closed on statutory holidays. We ask you to please make an appointment. At times, we are available to meet outside of our regular office hours. At the very bottom of this page are 3 different icons. The first one will take you to our Perler Wealth website, where you can look at the services we provide more in depth. The next one is to phone us directly. And finally, the last icon will allow you to email us with any inquiries you may have. A member of our team will get back to you quickly.
Next is our More page, which has many sub-pages. At the very top is our blog. This is where we share various articles and educational content. We also provide COVID-19 and office updates. When you click on an image, you will be taken to the full post. At the bottom, you will see the next post you can view. This page is being updated every day, so make sure you check it often.
The next tab is Podcasts. This will send you directly to our Perler Perspective page. You can listen to our podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and other providers. Or if you scroll down, you will see all of our episodes and can listen to them directly on the app by tapping on the play button.
Leaving podcasts, we can go into the Guardian Access. Like Client Login, you can log in with your username and password. There is also a link you can click in case you have forgotten your password.
We are now going to go into our team. Here you will see Harry and I at the top, along with a few of our frontline team members. When you click on a person, you'll be taken to a page with a short bio. At the bottom of the page are icons to our Perler Wealth website, social media accounts, and quick access to phone and or email us.
Below our Team tab is the Notification Center. This is where any important notifications we send out will go. In case you miss a notification, you can also go to this page.
Lastly is the legal disclaimer. This page includes our WorldSource Financial Management Inc. and Perler Financial Group disclaimer. If you scroll down, you will also see the risk of borrowing to invest disclaimer, and at the very bottom of the page, you can click on a link that will send you to our privacy policy.
As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give David or myself a call. Have a nice day.
Take care.